everyone, I am Anthurium Lewis, the Junior Secretary of Tourism, and I urge you to join me in commemorating International Youth Day 2024. Yes, friends, this is our time to shine as we highlight this year's theme, From Clicks to Progress, Youth Digital Pathways for Sustainable Development. Today's youth are our future. Hence, this annual celebration serves as a source of encouragement and inspiration. Now we have been given a golden opportunity to make what is at our fingertips work for us to achieve a common goal of empowering youths and building tomorrow.